Welcome to another
2-Minute Tech Tip Tuesday.
brought to you by the National RV Training Academy, the largest hands-on RV training academy in America. Hey, before we get to the video, which I know this is the reason why you're here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. That way you don't miss anything. Hit the subscribe button now. Thank you. Now, back to our Tech Tip Tuesday. Hey, Todd here on location at the National RV Training Academy. I'm going to go ahead and answer the question, hopefully for the last time. Is using bleach water safe to sanitize your water systems? So let's go ahead and get into this. Now, here's the thing. This should be already settled science. Yes, using bleach water is safe in sanitizing your system, but we still have some reviews out there and people hawking other products, which I have no problem if you prefer a different product or anything else. But we got people out there hawking products saying that using bleach water in the proper amounts is not safe for your system. Trash. Don't even need 2 minutes to go over this, but trash, okay? So here's the thing. The caveat to this is the proper amount of bleach to water, okay? Because, of course, we don't want to have too much bleach. Bleach is caustic, and it does not only ruin the appliances, but it's also unsafe. However, bleach is the only product that is out on the market that is approved by NSF, ANSI, the Food and Drug Administration, and the EPA. With the proper amounts, all of those bleach have been tested and approved by those different agencies. So whatever product you have out there and you're hawking and you're saying that bleach is not safe, well, you have to go against the wording of the FDA, the NSF, the ANSI, and the EPA. Okay, so if you want to do that, go for it. Now, if you just want to simply say, I don't prefer using bleach, totally with you. Totally with you. Okay, if you want to use a different product, which is going to be nothing more than a derivative of bleach or a derivative of hydrogen peroxide, okay, pay more for it, right? But if you're just looking at the smallest amount of product that you can put in the RV to go ahead and sanitize your system, bleach or hydrogen peroxide. Now, what you're looking for is somewhere around 50 parts per million, which is 1/4 cup of bleach. Now, the bleach that we're using cannot have any odors or no scent on the odors, no scents or anything else in there, right? Just raw bleach, just the cheap stuff, okay? 1/4 cup to every 15 gallons. That's 15 gallons, or 1 cup to every 50 gallons, okay? When you go above that and you put in more bleach, now we're in the unsafe zone, okay? Now, not just unsafe for us, but also unsafe for all the rubber parts, because the bleach is actually going to eat the rubber parts. Now, your PEX is not rubber, right? It's a plastic. Your holding tank is a plastic, but there's going to be rubber membranes certain areas. And that's where when we put too much bleach in there, that's the problem. So here's the thing. Under 50 parts per million, which is 1 cup to every 50 gallons, bleach or hydrogen peroxide is the most inexpensive way to actually sanitize your system with time, right? You need about 8 hours to do that. Completely fill it up, let it sit for 8 hours. Now, if you prefer any other product out there, totally go for it, okay? Totally go for it, right? Because a lot of people, hey, look, I understand that bleach can take care of this or hydrogen peroxide, but I don't want putting that in my body. Totally get it, okay? So I'm not saying that. But here's what I'm not saying, right? That these products have the same, have been tested by all these different agencies and approved by the various agencies, okay? Bleach has. So, again, hawking products and you just want to say, I don't prefer bleach, this is what I like, totally go for it. But when you say, hey, bleach is totally bad, right, you're putting information out there that's simply not true. So, yes, I'm on a rant because I'm seeing this out there, okay? And you got people going, well, wait a minute, this is the way I was taught. It is okay, with the proper amounts. Now, I know you keyboard warriors, you're going to go ahead and hit it. So let's go ahead. What questions or what advice do you have when it comes to using bleach water in your system? We'll see you next week. There's your tech tip. All right, before you get to the bloopers, which is why you're here in the first place, the RV industry needs thousands of RV technicians and inspectors, and now is the perfect time to do that. If you want to make more money or have more control over your time, go ahead and click the link below. Or if you just want to learn how to fix your own RV, got something for you there. Head over to rvtechcourse.com and get started today.
Now for the reason that you're at the end of the video, roll the bloopers.
Bam. Now, what are you going to do with all the, what do we call that stuff? Mess ups. Oh, because I don't do mess ups when I'm angry. You don't like me when I'm angry because there's no mess ups. It's all just right. There's the fact check.